Hey guys, what's up? This is Sam with Lion Family Adventure, and it is currently 11:18 p.m., March 30th, 2013, and I'm actually outside with my laptop and webcam because we got a lightning and thunderstorm going on out here, and I'm actually going to kill the light and let my laptop roll and see how much I can get on film. So I hope you guys enjoy it. This is the Lion Family Adventure Thunderstorm, Sacramento, California, March 30th, 2013, 11:19 p.m. Oh, and just so everyone knows, I'm going to be sitting out here with my laptop to make sure it doesn't get wet. And if the storm gets too bad, I'm actually going to call it quits and head in before it gets too terribly bad. Because I don't want to ruin my computer trying to film this for you guys because my computer's not waterproof. But yeah, you already just saw one lightning strike. So that was one. So let's see if we can catch some more. There goes another one. And I heard thunder. The actual main front of the storm is actually south of me by about 8 miles in a city called Elk Grove, California. I'm actually sitting in the south side of Sacramento at Stillman RV and Mobile Home Park. Ooh, there's a nice strike. Wow, that one was cool. I actually caught a lightning bolt there. That was pretty wicked, man. I hope this is actually coming out okay for you guys. And here comes a neighbor. That was a nice one. Hey, Toke. Nice thunderstorm going on. So there's a nice lightning storm south of us. Yeah. Well, I'm over here watching it, and I've got my laptop out here recording it. Oh, it's actually heading our way. Yep. That was a nice one.
Cosmo, you want to come in or you going to stay out here with Daddy?
No, trust me, dog. I don't think you want to be out there.
Come on. Come on. Oh, he said he'll stay out here with Daddy.
He's scratching himself.
Okay. That's on me now.
Why'd you let him out? I don't care.
Come on, Cosmo. Come on.
Love you too. As you can see, 17 minutes into the storm, it's getting a lot brighter. And that little chime you heard was a program I have called Pal Talk. And I've got some people that are trying to hit me up for information on the storm. I could have sworn I had that program turned off, so I'll go ahead and I'll do that now so you guys don't have to listen to annoying chimes. It is currently 66 degrees outside. Oh yeah, that's definitely going to get turned off. Exit. Yes, exit Pal Talk. Ooh, that was a nice one as I was sitting down. I'm sorry guys, I didn't mean to block that one. And as you can see, it's picking up 13 minutes into the video. Well, almost 14 minutes now. But yeah, it's actually looking pretty cool out here. So let me get some of this closed out. Yeah, the firehouse right down the street from me, guys, is on standby. I just watched the ambulance pull out of the bay, and they got all the bays opened up on the fire station, and they've got 3 ambulances and 6 fire trucks sitting in there, and well, they got all the bays open right now, and they just tested all the lights on every piece of equipment they have in there. I can see from here. Don't know why they did that. It's the first time I've ever seen them do that, so maybe they know something I don't. Alright, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this. This is part 1. Part 2 will be coming up next, so keep your eye out for it. Oh, that's a perfect way to end the video. Badass lightning. Alright, this is part 2 of the Lyon Family Adventure. March 30th, 2013, 11:38 p.m. Video 2. Yeah, I felt that in my chest sitting down here, honey. Huh? Nah, I'm not going to come inside. If it gets closer, I'll come inside, but not for the moment. Nah, you were feeling the vibration from the thunder. That's just noise. Lightning does the work. The thunder's nothing more than the rapid expansion of air and basically the sound barrier being broken. Okay, guys, thunder's right over my head, literally, and it's starting to rain, so I'm going to go ahead and call this video for now, and I'm going to take it inside and start recording from inside. So, have a nice time, guys. Part 3 will be coming up here in a little bit. Hey guys, this is Sam with Lyon Family Adventures. You can hear the thunder. As I'm back now, I'm actually relocated inside of my rig, and I'm actually recording through the window here now, so you guys can see what I see out my window. And yeah, so you might see a little metal bar through the camera shot, but I'm sorry about that, guys. There's not a whole lot I can do because I really don't have a mount for a laptop to face out a window. So I'm just trying to get the best images I can, and right now it looks like you're facing the street, and I know it's kind of crappy, but you know, it's the best I can do for now. I'm sorry. I had to relocate inside, you know, because of the weather. I couldn't sit outside no more because it's starting to rain a little bit out there, and I can't afford to ruin my laptop. So I've had to come inside and, well, que sera, sera. I'm going to see if I can reposition this thing to get you guys an even better view. See, there goes some lightning right there. So, yeah, I'm trying, guys, but there's only so much I can do. Well, I'm going to go ahead and cut this right now, and if it starts to pick up, I'll go ahead and get you another video in, guys. As you guys heard it, guys, that was a really loud thunder clap. I missed the lightning strike, but I got most of the thunder in here. It was actually started 3 seconds before the camera started, before the recording started on my camera after I hit record on my laptop. So that's what it's sounding like. And when you're living in a Class C RV like we are here at the LFA, Lyon Family Adventure, you can actually feel it. It vibrates the whole damn vehicle. Hence why at 11:52 at night I'm awake now. Oh, and by the way, from my first video, it's actually gone up 6 degrees in temperature outside. It actually went from 60 degrees to 66 degrees now, and actually gone up 5 degrees in the past 5 minutes, literally. So this weather's kind of weird and wicked, and as you can hear, the rain's actually picking up substantially more now. So I'm going to shut my mouth and go ahead and let this video continue. And luckily enough, the cool thing about having an RV is if the area loses power, you still got batteries. So that's pretty cool. Now you guys could really hear the rain pouring down. And I'm just going to go ahead and let this play out for you guys, so you guys can hear everything we're hearing inside the Lyon Family Adventure motorhome. Oh yeah, and my wife's pregnant over here, and she's having Braxton's right now. How long you got until you do, honey?
14 weeks.
And another 14 weeks to go. Sorry, my allergies have been kicking my butt for the past couple of days because we've had a lot of pollen. And that's why I've been coughing through part of this video. Yeah, I know my viewers just saw that, that's for sure. I'm going to try to change the angle of my camera, guys, to give you guys a little bit of a better view here. So please bear with me as I do this. I'm going to move the camera. Actually, I'm moving the laptop. Hang on. It's fine. It didn't hurt nothing, honey. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. That was not intended to happen. Now it's really pouring rain out there, as you guys can hear. Bear with me, guys. I'm putting a bag over the bottom of the laptop where the keys are, because that's kind of exposed to the elements outside, and I'm not trying to get my laptop ruined by this rain and wind and weather, so I'm trying to protect it as best I can for you guys, so you can still watch the storm. And my computer's now protected. That was perfect. Perfect timing. And now it's down to 66 degrees now that the rain started. So, yeah, weather is cooling off a little bit outside now. And I think it's pretty much going to be it for the thunder and lightning, I think. I don't want to call it too soon. But yeah, I'm kind of thinking it may be the end of the lightning for now and thunder. I don't want to cut the video off too soon because I don't want to miss anything juicy, but from the looks of it, that's all she wrote. So if it happens to pick up, I will grab my cam and I will continue with more. But for now, this is Sam Lyon signing off.